Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including sushi rice, nori sheets, and your preferred fillings like fish or vegetables. Next, focus on preparing the sushi rice. It's the foundation of great sushi. Finally, make sure you have a bamboo rolling mat, which is essential for shaping your rolls perfectly. To cook the rice, use a 1:1 and 1/4 ratio of rice to water for the best consistency. Once cooked, gently fold in a mixture of rice vinegar, a small amount of sugar, and a pinch of salt to season it properly. For your fillings, carefully slice your chosen fish or vegetables into thin, uniform strips, ensuring they are easy to roll and eat. Begin by placing a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Next, spread a thin, even layer of your seasoned sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving the top edge clear. Then, carefully arrange your chosen fillings in a neat line across the center of the rice. This setup is key for a tight, well-formed roll. Now, with a sharp, damp knife, carefully cut your sushi roll into 6 to 8 uniform pieces. Serving your freshly made sushi with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some pickled ginger enhances the experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Enjoy your delicious homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.